Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can log into Revolut on a new device with a phone number or with a new phone number. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So of course, what you will have to do is install Revolut app on new device, and next you will open that app and then you will click login, enter new phone number. Then you will receive the SMS verification code, and then you will just have to enter the code. And of course, you will have to log in using the passcode and Face ID or fingerprint. Then the account now is of course accessible on new device, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.